what does the Big Bang Theory have to do with trademarks? I'm talking about the TV show, not the actual scientific theory. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney, and I'm going to tell you right now. On the TV show Big Bang Theory, there frequently was a disastrous YouTube video series that Sheldon Cooper put on called Fun with Flags. And during that, he and others would discuss various flags. Well, can you register a trademark for a flag? Generally, no. So there are a couple insignias that identify the source of goods, services, or other things that you cannot register a trademark for. And flags, coats of arms, and other insignia of the United States, a state, a municipality, or a foreign government, you cannot trademark those. So you cannot take a foreign flag, stick it on your product, and try to get a trademark for it. Other things that you cannot use, that you cannot register a trademark for. If the brand name is primarily a surname, so primarily the last name of someone and it's a common name, you generally can't get a trademark for that. You have some kind of cleaning fluid, you want to call it Smith's. Generally, you're not going to be able to get a trademark for that. As with almost anything else that a lawyer does, many of these situations depend on the specific fact. But surnames, flags, and then the other big category that is generally forbidden to get a registration is the name, portrait, or signature of a living person or a deceased US president. So if you want to call your new car the James Buchanan, you're not going to be able to get a trademark for that. If you're coming up with a line of cement that you want to sell to contractors all over the country, you're not going to be able to call that LeBron James because LeBron James is a living person. Pretty sure he's not going to consent to your use of his name for cement, even though pretty sure he doesn't have his own line of cement. So these are things I get regularly called about. Somebody will say, well, so-and-so famous name, they don't have a trademark for this kind of good or service. I have to tell them, well, unless you can get their consent, you're not going to be able to get that trademark. If you have any questions about how to brand your trademark, you have questions about new brand names that you're rolling out, please give me a call. I'll be happy to talk with you before you spend a lot of money on the branding and then find out you're not going to be able to register a trademark. Mike Steger, I'm a trademark and copyright attorney.